So hi friends, I am Vishnu and in this video we will see about my personal home automation by which I can turn on and off lights and can give me feedback and motivate me and so on. So without wasting time, let's start it. So let's explore the hardware of this project. So this project has an 12-volt battery, LCD display, 3 display lights on the top, left and bottom of the circuit, and inside the display there is an Bluetooth module, an LDR module and relay module as well as an Arduino Nano. So let's power up the project.